Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. Bit of a funny hack for you this morning. I've got a baby's buggy wheel. It's the pneumatic tyre type, but the tube completely split inside in the sun yesterday. The buggy was left out in the sun and the tube just must have expanded and snapped. I can't get a new tube until Thursday, and today is Monday, and I want to go for a walk. So I've torn up a load of strips of bubble wrap, about this wide, and I've just been stuffing the tube. You can hear my little colleague wants to go for a walk as well. I've just been stuffing it into the tube on my knee. And I've got it so that it's about as full as I can get it, and I think I can get the tyre back onto the wall. So I'll give it a go, and I'll go for a walk, and I'll report back and see if bubble wrap works.
So I'm out on the road and I've been walking for a few minutes and the tyre seems fine. You can see there's no valve in it just there. It's holding itself. It's not exactly full, but it's not empty either. Compared to the back ones, which are like right up off the ground, this one is sitting a bit flatter, but you know, we can't get a puncture out. I walked about 3 miles and everything went okay. It's not tight, you know, it's not perfect, but as a get you out kind of a thing, it's gonna have to do us for a few days until the tubes arrive, so it's pretty good, I reckon. So here we are after about 3 days. It's I won't say it's gotten down. Some of the bubble wrap must have died. You can see it in there from being walking, you know, pretty much every day. It's had about 3 days use, I'd say. The tubes arrived in the post, so I'm going to change the tube now. So to get the wheel off, you loosen the cam, and then on the other side you slacken off this. Slacken it off, because that little tab washer there go, because that little tab washer has to come off. You slacken off to get that little tab washer off, it pops out, and then the wheel just slots out like that, and we'll have a go at doing the tube. So it might just come out, but I've got these little tyre levers from a bicycle. You'd probably get this out if you had a couple of butter knives or fork handles or something like that in the kitchen. They'd just lever it out because it's not particularly snug. So you just lever that out on one side, lever it out on the other. There's all that bubble wrap that I put in. Now, whenever you've got a puncture, just check inside with your thumb or visually, just to make sure there's no piece of glass or something sticking in there. Bizarrely, this one burst in the sun, so I'm not expecting to find anything, but sometimes you do. Then take a bicycle pump and just put a little bit of air into the new tube. Not too much. Just enough so that it takes its shape and you can get it into position. So we've got the hole in the rim for the tube valve. We've got the hole in the rim for the tube valve there. Force the tyre back onto the rim. One side only. Came off easier. There we go. Then find the hole again. Put the valve through the hole. That's the best bit first. Pull the tyre over the tube, tuck the tube in the whole way around, make sure it's not twisted. Check the valve again to make sure it's coming out, and then we need to slide it over one side first, and then around over the other. It should just pop into place this time. Yeah, there it is. Then pull the valve out and fill it up with air. And there you go, we're all back together. Thanks for watching, see you later.